Normally the films what we use, they are pre-coated with adhesive. But sometimes what happens is if the dyeing value is around 30 or lesser than 38, the bonding would not happen properly. And the operator on the machine, even if it is a thermal lamination on the machine, would need to adjust. And if you just go by the routine way, now then the problem starts. So for example, like if an operator sets a machine at 110 degrees for thermal lamination, and in some of the film, if the dyeing value is lesser than 58 dye, then this problem will start happening. And at the press, you will not see any delamination. But when it goes to trimming, the edges may start just slightly, lifting up or starts delamination. And later on, when the book goes through various kind of stress, like temperature and moisture and etc., then you can see the complete peel off of the film. So this is one of the biggest problems now. We think thermal lamination is one of the best solutions, but that isn't true if it is not done right.
How do we as publishers, right, for our teams or the teams at the printers end, what is the solution to this problem through which we can understand that this problem might have happened in this book?
On the shop floors, before a book goes into production, and it's 45 degrees, take it out, keep it, cool it down, then again put it back where the temperature zone goes up and down, and you can simulate the exact book and
measure the dyeing value of the film.
Yeah, even that also is possible.
One of the easiest ways to test this is, in thermal at least, when you're doing the lamination, when it's hot, you try and peel off the film. It should come off with the toner if you're using a
digital.
And if it's an offset print, then it should peel off the top layer of the board. The paper should come off along with it. That's how we test.
What you said is right. That's a peel test, what we do there and then. But sometimes when the book goes through various test conditions, then you need to simulate the same.
And it may not happen immediately after lamination also. It could happen in your shrink wrapping. It could happen wherever it is subjected to further this use. So best is to go test the material. Start from planning and material once it has come and test it. And deal with good suppliers, deal with people who will give you the certificates for that has been tested. Certificate of analysis must for any product that you buy.
Color of the cover is like, in a darker shades. For example, 100% cyan, 100% magenta, whatever the purple color is this. So in my past experience, we also had, this kind of experiences where the color is darker, where the chances are like high.
Absolutely correct. Yeah, that absolutely correct. Because that's
so no matter it is like 48 hours or 72 hours, if the color is like, darker color than the thermal lamination or maybe normal lamination also, the chances are very...
Normal lamination will fail, that is for sure, because that's so you can test and then find it out. Thermal lamination, you have less chances of failure, but then again you need to see whether the fusion has done its job, the bonding is correct. In terms of by increasing the temperature of the room, the operator can't go by standard what he has done for a normal, without with the colors are not in depth. Then probably there will be a problem.